Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Derismas. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to actually be talking to you guys. I know the last few videos have just been shorts. I actually pre-filmed those so that I would have filler in between the 31 days of Derismas. Y'all, this is really hard work. And I think I was just getting a little bit burnt out. So thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for bearing with me. Instead of using them as fillers, I just put them all back to back. So I am sorry. Today, some Boxycharm for December. Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with the OG Boxycharm box, this is a $25 monthly subscription box where you'll receive makeup and beauty items. You get 5 products, full size, for a value of at least $125. However, they just changed the pricing. The price increases will begin in January and I will pop those right here. So we like to see if this is worth our $25. You guys know I am more of a skincare heavy fan. I know a lot of you are not, so we're gonna dive in. We're gonna see, is it makeup heavy or is it skincare heavy? I do also want to talk about this. I talk about it all the time and I have a new one, but you will already see that my information is blurred out or crossed out and you can still see Boxycharm's information. This little contraption right here is called Guard Your ID. I did just get this little set for 17 bucks for all 3. You get the Guard Your ID Plus, which is a wider one than the one that I showcase for you guys typically. And then it does have a little knife. And then it also has a teeny tiny little pair of scissors, which I also think is really freaking cool. This is one of those things, if I were to do a gift guide, I'm just too late in the holiday season to do one. I do apologize for that. But if I were going to do a gift guide, this would 100% be in there as like a practical gift idea. The reason I love this so much, you guys, is I see all the time in unboxings where people put tape over the label, they're hiding it, they're blurring it, whatever the case may be. I literally take this right here and you can see Boxycharm's information. You take this little contraption, you take the little gadget and you literally glide it across. And it's just a kind of very inexpensive, very easy, very beginner friendly and fast way to protect yourself, protect your identity, bank statements, credit card applications, things like that. I love them. They don't know I exist at all. I just think it's a brilliant freaking contraption. They're super affordable. I just love them. So while we're here, I'm going to use this and we're going to take the tape off the box. So we're going to go in. Ooh, already see some cute stuff on top. And our theme is Boxycharm Gift of Glam. I am going to hide the back so that I do not get to see what is in the box. And I'll turn around and there is my box number. So we're going to set this out of the way. You do always get an informational card. And you can, if you get in on your email, which I try not to do so that I don't get spoilers, but you can also do, I think, 1 choice item or something like that per month. So right on top, I love this brand, is an ERIS Beauty Bella Sponges. It is a set of 2 makeup sponges. And y'all know I don't apply my foundation with a makeup sponge, but I use makeup sponges consistently and I use them every single time I do my makeup application, so I'm pretty picky about them. Empress Me has a brand new sponge that I really want to try, but I'm excited about this. Of course, we'll read up on all the deets. Next up, I see a brand I've actually wanted to try for a long time, is the Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm with Multi-Peptide Complex. This is a very pricey brand and I've seen them quite a bit on QVC. I'm a QVC ho. What can I say? I've been watching since I was 9 with my mama, so it's special to me. But I've wanted to try something from them, so I'm very excited about that. Next up is a Wish, W-H-I-S-H. I've tried their foot mask before and something else that we've gotten in a box. This is a vanilla bean lip mask. Blah. I don't like vanilla. I like actual vanilla, the actual vanilla bean, vanilla pods, things that are made with actual vanilla. With vanilla scented stuff, I cannot do it. Like vanilla soap, vanilla shampoos, I just can't. So we're going to put this in the pay it forward pile. Next up is a Mellow Lip Pencil in the shade Rose. I think I'm also going to put this in my pay it forward pile because I have way too many lip liners and I feel like it's going to literally be the same shade that I always use all the time and have multiples of. So I'm also going to put that in the pay it forward pile. And then last in my box, this went by pretty damn quickly, you guys, is a Seraphine Botanicals. I've loved everything I've tried from them. Happy Hibiscus, Luminizer, and Blush Palette. I've tried like their lip scrubs. What else have we gotten? I just got a lip mask. I'm very intrigued by that as well. So that is what it looks like. They are cruelty-free and vegan. I really quickly want to see what it looks like. And of course, if it is not a color story I will use, as much as I like the brand and love the name, we're not going to keep it. So that is what it looks like. And if you don't know, I actually lived in Hawaii for 5 years as a little girl. Yeah, definitely not going to keep this Luminizer and Blush palette. I definitely feel like this is more focused on medium to deeper skin tones. And in the summertime, it will probably work beautifully for me. I could also use them as bronzer toppers, eyeshadows. You guys know I really just try to not be wasteful ever. So I'm also going to put this right back in its package and put it back in here. And that's also going to go into our pay it forward pile. So this month, only based on personal preference, not my favorite box at all. I'm definitely going to use both of these for sure, but was that worth my $25? No, I don't think so. But we'll read up on some DEETS, and of course, I don't mind getting extras. That's why, guys, even though I do have a lot of product, I still continue to get the couple subscription boxes that I do. It's because I know that I always have people that I can pay it forward to, and it's not going to be wasteful product. So we're going to go into our DEETS here. First up, we have our Alginus Triple Algae Renewal Balm, a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. I think after the first of the year, because I'm still finishing up a couple skincare products, I'm going to do this for 10 days and we're going to test those claims. It is formulated with Alginus patented and exclusive alguronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergistically work by energizing and increasing your skin luminosity, and that is $68. Now, would I have been on the market to pay $68 for something like this? Absolutely not. So that's why I'm saying I don't know, especially only keeping 2 products, is this worth my $25? We're going to keep reading. We're going to see. Next up on our card, we have our Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Palette. This incredibly soft and blendable luminizer and blush palette gives you instant color payoff and glides on seamlessly to deliver a healthy, lit from within flush of color. Formulated with hibiscus extract to encourage a fresher, more radiant complexion, and cornstarch and kaolin clay for a silkier transition and longer lasting wear, even on oily skin. That's awesome. And that is $48. I don't know that I'd spend $48 on this palette. Just being honest. Next up, this feels so nice. I don't even want to open it though, because then I'll be tempted, and I know I won't use it. I'm sorry about the glare. Next up is our Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with bakuchiol. Are your lips missing the moisture they crave and desire? The Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with bakuchiol is the answer to their wish. This rich and buttery smooth mask melts deep into your lips as you sleep, providing long-lasting, intense moisturization. Say goodbye to those cracked and peeling lips and hello to dewy, soft goodness. That is $32. I'd rather spend the little bit of money that I spend on my JOUER lip enhancers that I've been using for like 5 years. I'm sure it's beautiful though, and I'm sure it's a great product. Next up was our ERIS sponges. This is the ERIS Beauty Bella Sponge Duo. Blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with these super soft ERIS Bella Sponge Duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, and cream products. Need to bake? The Bella Sponge's pointed tip your complexion called, and the ERIS Bella Sponge is the answer, and this is $24 for 2. I would pay that for 2 sponges. And ERIS has one of my favorite black eyeliners that I've ever tried. It is a beautiful, beautiful formula. Then last we had our Mellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Pencil. This gel-formulated gel lip pencil glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. Define your lips with an instant release of rich, saturated color, long-wearing and transfer-proof, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan, and it is $15. I feel like that's pretty standard, but when you kind of compare it to like drugstore or ColourPop, it's a little bit pricey, and my $4 Dominique Cosmetics ones that I get in Boxy pop-up are way more cheap. So this month I'm going to say I'm a little disappointed. Of course, there are 2 products that I'm going to use and I hope love. I'm going to say I don't feel like it was worth my $25 this month. But we have items to pay it forward, and since it's Durasmus, of course, we'll pay it forward too. you guys. You're going to be entering to win the Wish Lip Mask, the Mellow Lip Liner, and the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Palette. So I'll go ahead and put these into a pay it forward pile for one of you guys. And of course, all rules and everything are going to be in the description box. Good luck, beauties. What did you guys think of the box? Were we box twins? Were you a little disappointed like I was? Yeah, that's it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Good luck.